Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. This is a very important video regarding NEET exam 2025. So in this video we are going to discuss the most important instructions, documents to carry, what is the dress code, and we'll also clear some student doubts. Let's begin. First, regarding the admit card, it was released yesterday 30th April around 2 to 3 days before the exam date. NEET UG exam is scheduled for May 4th, 2025, Sunday. You can download your hall tickets from neet.nta.nic.in. So after visiting the website, click on Download NEET UG 2025 Admit Card, enter your application number, date of birth and security pin as shown on the screen. Click the submit button. Your admit card will appear on the screen, that is your hall ticket. So download it and keep at least 2 copies for emergency use. So you must check some details on your hall ticket: your name, roll number, application number, father's name, mother's name, gender, category, date of birth, your photograph and signature, examination date, time, reporting time, gate closing time, address of the exam center with center code, language of question paper, exam day instructions and guidelines. Now, what are the documents you need to carry on your exam day? First, a printed copy of NEET admit card, that is your hall ticket. Second is a valid photo identity proof. You can carry your Aadhaar card, your passport, or your voter ID, or PAN card, or your driving license. So, Aadhaar card is best option. Everyone has that. Last is a passport size photograph, same as uploaded on the application form, to be pasted on the attendance sheet. So they'll give you an attendance sheet, on that you have to paste it. So just carry one or two. So as you know, this exam is a PBT exam. PBT means pen and paper exam. It is not a computer based exam like EPSET. Some websites claim that you'll be given a pen, but mostly I suggest carry either a blue or a black pen. Now, obviously, without all these documents which I have mentioned, you won't be allowed entry into the exam center. Let's see some exam day instructions. First is that you must report at least 1 hour before the reporting time. Your exam is between 2 to 5 p.m. So reporting time is 1:30 p.m. So you must be there before 1:30 p.m. So apart from your documents, you can carry a plastic transparent water bottle. The non-transparent ones are usually not allowed. Do not wear shoes, wear simple sandals or chappals, and do not wear heavy jewelry or have excessive clothing accessories. Because they'll ask you to remove all these things before entering the exam, frisking will take place, like your complete checking. Try to wear decent cotton clothes. The use of electronic devices, including mobile phones, smartwatches, calculators, earphones, all these things are not allowed, they're banned. So, once you find your seat according to your roll number, do not change your place, be seated throughout the exam so that you complete your exam on time and without any hassle. So, your exam would be for 3 hours from 2 to 5 p.m. You'll have MCQ questions only, multiple choice questions. Total number of questions are 180. Total marks are 720. And yes, negative marking is there. For every incorrect answer, 1 mark is deducted from the total score. If a question is left unanswered, no marks are deducted. However, there is no negative marking for extra attempted questions or multiple answers marked for a single question, as they are considered incorrect. So for correct answer, plus 4 marks, incorrect answer, minus 1, unanswered question, 0 marks. So students, it's better that you choose answers carefully and do not guess them randomly, because your negative answers may impact your final score. Now let us see some of the most repeated questions asked by students. First is that what should I do if I forget my application number? So students, you can go to the website and click on forgot application number on the login page and recover it using your registered mobile number, email ID and personal details entered during registration. Next question is a digital copy of the admit card allowed at the exam center? No, only a printed copy of the NEET admit card is accepted at the exam center. So, students, admit card means hall ticket only, don't get confused. Carry at least one clear printout as digital copies are not allowed under any condition. Next question is, can I request a change in my exam center after the admit card is released? So once your hall tickets are released, then changes to your exam center are not allowed. While applying for NEET itself, you should have done all these changes. Next question is, what is the recommended attire, means dress code for females? So female candidates should wear half sleeve t-shirts, shirts, kurtas without any fancy or long sleeves. Just simple clothing and do not wear shoes. And for both boys and girls, closed shoes are prohibited. Another question is, can they wear religious belief clothes? So yes, students, regarding wearing such religious attires, exemption is there. You can be exempted. Candidates should have chosen customary dress option while filling the NEET application form and report the exam center at least 1 hour early for frisking and security procedures. Next question is it compulsory to carry a PAR ID? No, it is not compulsory. So the last doubt is section B removed from NEET exam 2025? Yes, section B was optional questions that has been removed from NEET UG 2025 exam pattern. So now the NEET exam is divided into three sections: physics, chemistry and biology, which includes botany and zoology. Each section would be maximum of 180 marks with 45 questions out of 50 to be attempted in physics and chemistry and 90 questions to be attempted in biology. Now the most important question, what is the minimum NEET score 2025 needed to get admission into a government MBBS college? So students, you need to aim at least 550 to 600 marks if you belong to general category. For OBC category, it is 530 to 590 marks. SC category 420 to 490 marks. ST category 400 to 480 marks. EWS category 520 to 580 marks. A safe score to qualify for NEET general category is expected to be around 720 to 162 out of maximum 720 marks. Now some tips for NEET exam. NEET is based on NCERT class 11th and 12th biology, chemistry and physics. Stick closely to NCERT books, especially for biology. Mark important chapters like in biology you have human physiology, genetics and ecology, chemistry, organic chemistry, thermodynamics. In physics, mechanics, current electricity, modern physics. Make a study plan, set daily and weekly targets, include time for revision and practice test. On the NEET official website, you can find many mock tests. Practice those. Study in 3 to 4 hour blocks with short breaks in between. Start early so you have enough time for mock test and revision. Practice with previous papers. Solve at least 10 years NEET question papers. Take mock tests regularly to improve speed and accuracy. Practice OMR sheet filling as it matters in the real exam. So students, OMR means optical mark recognition. In NEET exam and in many other exams, you usually don't write answers. Rather, you fill circles on a special sheet called OMR sheet using either black or blue ballpoint pen. Usually students use black pen. Each question will have 4 options A, B and C. You have to darken the correct circle completely. For example, if the answer to question number 1 is option B, you will fill the circle like this. Can you see the screen? Focus on concepts, not just rote learning. Understand how and why things work, especially in physics and chemistry. Biology needs smart memorization, but also understanding of processes. Revise regularly. Make short notes or flashcards for revision. Revise biology diagrams, formulas for physics and chemistry reactions weekly. Revision keeps memory fresh and helps in fast recall during the exam. Manage your time and stress. Avoid late night studying regularly. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Do breathing exercises or light exercise to stay relaxed. Don't compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress. Take care of your health by eating healthy food, avoid junk food, stay hydrated. These things also help in better memorization and to stay focused. You can use these quality references which I have given on the screen. Work on your weakness. Don't skip weak subjects. In fact, give more time to your weak subjects. Ask for help from teachers. Many YouTube channels are there, coaching if needed. Last but not the least, believe in yourself. Consistency matters more than talent. This means that your continuous efforts will matter the most. So just have a positive mindset, positive attitude, and don't lose hope when you score less marks in practice test. Just keep practicing. I hope this video was an informative video. Do share it with your friends.